Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
On dissolving sugar in water at room temperature, the solution feels cool to touch. Under which of the following cases dissolution of sugar will be most rapid? You can see the four options, right? In the options, we can see four key terms. First two are powdered sugar or sugar crystal. Which one dissolve faster? So we can check that first. When we crush a solute, it becomes powdered form. And we know powdered form has much larger surface area compared to the normal sugar crystal, right? A greater surface area definitely allow what? More particles of sugar, more particles of solute to come in contact with water at the same time. Definitely it will lead to more solubility, right? More dissolution. Hope you understand. More the interaction between solute and solvent, more will be the solubility, or we can say more will be the faster will be the dissolution. So definitely powdered sugar dissolve faster than sugar crystal. So our options, our right option can be C or D, which contain powdered sugar, right? Now we have to check the third and fourth key term, which are the hot water, cold water. In which type of water the sugar dissolve faster? The solution feels cool to touch. What is the meaning of that? It absorbs heat, right? If it absorbs heat, is it endothermic or exothermic? We know, right? If something is absorbing heat, it is endothermic. And we know that for endothermic process, according to Le Chatelier principle, when temperature increases, it favor forward reaction. When temperature increases, which means when you heat something for an endothermic reaction, it favor forward reaction. So here what is the forward reaction? Solute combined with solvent to give solution is a forward process. And from solution, solute and solvent are separate out. That is backward reaction. So we already understand from this statement, we understand it is endothermic. Now, when you heat it or when you are using hot water, what will happen? Temperature is actually increasing, right? It favor forward reaction, which means more and more solute start dissolving in solvent, you will get more and more solution. Correct? So hot water favor more and more dissolution. So what is our right answer? Powdered sugar in hot water.